Hey guys, so I just stopped here because I have a freaky feeling that behind me is Bryce Canyon National Park, which I was actually in October last year. But yeah, I just rode through Dixie, which I know is near Bryce, and looked up on the hill there and I thought that kind of looks familiar. So I'm not going to bother going to Bryce again. As I said, I was there last year, and got other places to go and start heading to the Grand Canyon, which is a shame though. It's only like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but I found this awesome campsite which would have been absolutely perfect just off the road here, but I have to keep going, so c'est la vie. Well, here's an interesting fact. So I am in Bryce Canyon National Park again. I was here in October last year, but way up the top, and as I make my way down to the Grand Canyon now, I sort of have to do a bit of a detour and go through a part of it, so you're not going to get a massive video showing all of it, which will probably go for hours anyway, but I will put the camera on whilst I'm riding through the little bit up to Hatch and before I turn off, and then you can see a wee bit of Bryce.